So we're about halfway in. Currently 5:31 AM. Adrian left about 10 minutes ago to go to his course. And the sun is coming up in Huddersfield. You get 30 minutes free Wi-Fi here. And this is telling me 43 minutes. Also known as more than 30. This is a very low bridge and it's dripping. And that's a lot. And that's a lot for a very, very narrow boat. Here you go.
Hey! Hello.
Hello. So what's the name of this actual like path bit? Is this Marsden or is this?
Marsden was the village that was back there. And this is I think it's the Huddersfield Canal. And it's going into the Standage Tunnel, which is the longest, deepest, highest tunnel
at the same time. Two things that I quickly conclude about the north. The weather changes up here more than a girl changes clothes. I'm not sexist. Everyone is stereotypically northern. Just two things that I'm noticing, that's all. I'm gonna go into the tunnel shortly because it's around 10 o'clock and that's when the trip is. So it's the longest, deepest, highest tunnel in the country. How could something be all those things at once?
As we enter the tunnel, if you suddenly find this is not for me, please let us know before we're 2 miles into the tunnel because we can't do anything about it once we're in the middle. Never happened.
And we're out. The temperature in that tunnel was like 7 degrees centigrade, this much Fahrenheit, and the water was 2 degrees centigrade. It wasn't the warmest of places in there. It's really sunny again, like really nice and sunny. This northern weather, man, it varies. Yes, I'm still a child. That is so tricky with a camera in your hand. This is a broken ankle ready to happen. Go on. Did it!
Why are we doing this?
Yay. Oh no. Now we walk back along the towpath, which is on the other side. Awesome! Okay, this guy's called Pule Hill. About to climb him. I'm going to do a separate edit on this as well. So that'll be a separate video. I'll just like update this like a regular vlogger would. What a stunning place! Come on! It's really windy! Like seriously windy! We made it! This is as far up as we go! So that was the adventure of Pule Hill. This lens is very wet and it's not that windy anymore. Yay! Travelodge, 10 or 15 minutes, then we go straight back out to dinner. At dinner I'm going to try and upload my other video because the restaurant has Wi-Fi. That's so sad. This is probably the best spot I've ever uploaded a video from. Basically, I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi from that building there. It's such a great place to upload. I mean, look at my view. So good.